Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Netrunner in Cyberpunk 2077 using an easy method. Netrunning is all about using quick hacks to dominate the battlefield, turning enemies and the environment to your advantage. You'll be able to disable cyberware, blind opponents, or even make them turn on each other. It's a fantastic way to approach combat, offering a stealthy and strategic alternative to direct confrontation. Let's dive into the core mechanics. To become an effective Netrunner, your primary focus should be on the intelligence attribute. This boosts your RAM capacity and quick hack damage, letting you unleash more powerful attacks. Also, consider investing in cool for stealth and critical hit bonuses, which synergize well with a Netrunner playstyle. Essential perks include those that reduce quick hack costs, increase their spread to multiple targets, and improve your overall RAM regeneration. These choices will make your hacking much more efficient. Your cyberdeck is the heart of your netrunning build. Choose one that offers bonuses aligning with your strategy, whether it's more RAM, faster upload times, or increased quick hack damage. For quick hacks, Contagion is excellent for spreading damage among groups, while Short Circuit delivers high single-target burst damage. Don't forget Ping to reveal enemies and link devices, making your hacks more effective. Always upgrade your quick hacks to maximize their potential and unlock powerful secondary effects. When engaging in combat as a Netrunner, always start by scanning your environment and enemies from a safe distance. Use Ping to reveal all threats and identify key targets, like enemy Netrunners or heavy units. From there, you can upload quick hacks to disable or eliminate them before they even know you're there. Combining quick hacks, such as Contagion followed by Overheat, can create powerful chain reactions. Remember to prioritize enemy Netrunners to prevent them from turning your own tactics against you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.